Welcome, my name is Umidigi One Pro, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume down. And when you see the logo of the device, you just want to let go of the power key while holding volume down. So, like so. And there we go. So we're now in factory mode, and in here you will use volume down key to navigate, and you want to select clear eMMC. So as you can see, it's the third option from the bottom, at least that's what it is for me. And once it's selected, press power key, and the device will begin removing all personal data. So this will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. From here, let's just select reboot. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.